Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar General haul to share with you. It's not very big, but enough items that I would like to share. They're all house items. And I got two big Mopper strong and absorbent paper towels. These are the my size ones. There's 168 paper towels in here. The Alu Wrap pop-up foil sheets. Got 25 in here. Still cheaper than DollarTree. These were $1 each, and the foil $1. All these items were found in their dollar deals aisle, except for one item, but it was $1 too. The Alu Wrap aluminum foil 20 square feet. Got a row. We got sheets. Got a row, and I also picked up this parchment paper, and this has 16 pre-cut sheets. Still in that dollar deals aisle. I love these mason jar style soap dispensers, and they had a strawberry watermelon 12 fluid ounce soap, and I had to have it. It smells really good. Really good. And I will, once the soap inside is done, I will repurpose this with probably a similar color soap to go with the picture on the front. I love doing that. I've done that with this container here. Picked that up. It smells amazing. Needed a shower gel, so I got the Spa Soap Cocoa Butter Body Wash. It seems like it is that milky, creamy consistency. A little bit thinner than I really like, but the smell is really nice. And it was 20 fluid ounces. It has it says with moisturizers and vitamin E. And 20 fluid ounces for $1. You really can't beat that. And then I also found this Great Scents odor absorbing gel. This is in the scent Strawberries and Cream, and this smelled really nice as well. You could use these all over the house, in your car, wherever you want to. It's just a gel inside. Smells so good. And then from the brand Wizard, I got this 8.4 ounce strawberry shortcake air freshener spray. It says odor neutralizer and air freshener. So two of these strawberry scents, they smell really nice, so I'm excited to try those out. And last but not least, they do have their fall and Halloween items out now. Probably not all of them, but they are slowly putting them out in the aisles. And I saw these and I had to have it. These are dish scrubbers. You get two of them for $1. And it's got the little truck with the pumpkins in the back. And it has like a scrubber side and just a regular soft lint-free kind of material on the other side, and then you got a green one on the back there. So green, and the really cute trucks. So cleaning rag, dish rag, whatever. But excited to see the fall stuff out. That's all the items I picked up at the Dollar General. And I hope you guys enjoyed this small haul. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. And don't forget to check the description box for additional links.